Hey guys, welcome to the very first video of HTML. So, as you can see, we have some points here. HTML is also called as hypertext markup language. Why it is called as markup language, I will tell you very soon. HTML is a document that contains text. Yes, this is a very simple document. It is as easy as English. This language doesn't need any decision statements or conditional statements as you have in your programming languages. It's very easy language. You can learn it so easily. And next, web browsers read and display documents that contains HTML. Yes, browsers are going to execute these HTML documents, and HTML is an interpreted language. Interpreted in the sense the browsers read HTML document line by line, but as you click on that HTML document, it will be loaded at one shot. This is because your microprocessor would be very fast, and hence your HTML document will be loaded on only one shot. Okay, then we have browsers are also interpreted softwares. So let's understand what is the programming language and markup language. So in order to understand what is the markup language, let's understand programming language. So I'm going to differentiate between programming language and the markup language. So generally, what is a programming language? Programming language generally have computation capability, logical thinking capability, and it does not concentrate on the physical sorry the look, appearance and feel of the output. For example, if I give input to a programming language as 10 plus 5, because it has a computation capability, it will give me the output as 15. Whereas if I give the input as 10 plus 5 to a markup language, it will give me the output as 10 plus 5 itself. What is the difference between programming language and markup language is the programming language will compute the input and provide the output, but in markup language it does not have any computation capability, it does not have any logical thinking capability. The input you give to markup language, it will produce it as it is, just the difference is it will change its font color or font size, and likewise you can have different outputs like as it is showing in blue color in different font. Next I have in Times New Roman font as in yellow color. Next I have in red color font. So like this, markup language concentrates on the beautification of the output. Okay, hence it is HTML is called as markup language because HTML concentrates on the beautification of the output. So what so in HTML it's all about tags. Every tag in HTML is going to be surrounded by angular brackets. Okay, so what is a tag means? A tag is nothing but it is an instruction which is used to instruct the browser. Okay, anything which is surrounded by angular brackets is nothing but a tag. For example, in our second line, we have a body tag here. In HTML, every tag are going to have it a pair. 98% of the tags have pair. Only 2% of the tags are singleton tags. Singleton tags nothing but the tags which doesn't need any closing tag. It is one itself. So this is called as the opening tag, and here it is called as the closing tag. The closing tag needs a slash preceding the tag, and the body tag doesn't need any slash. Okay, and this opening tag and the closing tag together with the text between these tags is called as the markup element. And likewise I said that there are 2% of tags which does not need any pair. For example, likewise I have this in third point line break tag. This does not need any pair, any closing tag. It is sufficient in it is sufficient to tell the our browser that we need a break in between lines. So what are you going to need to learn HTML? You can have you should have Notepad. You can also have a software called as Notepad++, which is very easy in order to write our HTML program and to execute it. Next, you should have internet browsers like Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, and Internet Explorer. This this is all for the introductory video. In the next video, I will show you the very basic HTML code, which will be so easy that you can learn it. And thank you.